All right, we're continuing on our Unit 2 language study. Go to page 17. And so we did that one right here. Okay. It says, read the following passage and add the missing quotation marks. So, okay, let's read this then. Ready? It says, Cassidy and her sister, Marisol, decided to spend the day at the beach. While they were there, they walked along the shore to look for shells. Do I need any quotation marks there? No, because I don't know what the person has said yet, right? So then it says, here's a nice one, Marisol said. How about there?
Yes.
In front of here, and then after the exclamation point. It's Chip, though, Cassidy pointed out. Where? Before, though, would be right here. Before it and after, though. Marisol shrugged her shoulders. Am I good?
Yes, Mr.
I like it, she said. She put it in her sandpail. Now, where does the quotation marks?
Before I, after it.
Before I and after it. The girls continued to walk. Cassidy stooped down to pick up a large flat shell. I like how smooth this one is. She looked at it more closely and frowned. I think it's before I right here, and then after is, after the exclamation point. Because that's what she said, right? I like this. I like how smooth this one is. Okay, there's no end dialogue tag there, but I know that's what she said because she used the word I. She looked at it more closely and frowned. It has a crack along the bottom. It has a crack along the bottom. I'll keep looking. Does that sound like somebody said something? Yeah, before it and after keeping. After looking, sorry. Marisol peered closer. I'll take it. It's really good. So that one is before I'll and then after good. The girls spent another hour scanning the seashore for shells. After after they walked back to the beach, to their beach chairs, both girls emptied the sand pails to inspect their treasures. Any quotation marks there? Yes or no?
No.
No, none of those sentences sound like somebody said anything. Wow, look at the shells you collected, Cassidy said to Marisol. I could only find a couple of perfect shells. You found tons. Where? Before wow. After what? So Cassidy said all of this? Cassidy didn't say Cassidy said to Marisol. No, it's after collected and before aisle. The dialogue tag is in the middle of both those sentences. Marisol grinned at her sister. That's the thing, she said. My shells aren't perfect. Most of them have chips and cracks and smudges of dirt, but they don't have to be perfect to be beautiful. I thought they were worth keeping anyway. Where?
Before most.
Actually, it's before that and after thing,
And before.
because this isn't dialogue, is it? Marisol grinned at her sister. The other just tells you what she did, but that's not a dialogue. Okay? And then before my shells aren't perfect. Most of them have chips and cracks and smudges of dirt, but they don't have to be perfect to be beautiful. I thought they were worth keeping anyway. And after anyway. Cassidy looked at Marisol's shells in a new way. You're right. So before you're right, after right. Okay, she said. They are beautiful. I'm glad you kept them. So before they. Says Marisol smiled. Since I have so many, why don't we share them between us? Cassidy laughed. Yes, I'd love to have some of your perfectly imperfect shells. So where do the quotations go?
Before sense.
Before sense, yes.
After
The question mark.
Before yes and after
And after shells, correct.